The most anticipated movies coming in December 2024. Hey movie lovers! December 2024 is packed with highly anticipated films ready to light up the big screen. From epic blockbusters to thrilling sequels. Here are the movies you won't want to miss. 1. Avatar 4. James Cameron returns to Pandora with Avatar 4, expanding the epic world we've come to love. With groundbreaking visuals and an ever-deepening story, fans are eager to see what new adventures await in this next chapter of the saga. Why you should watch. Expect stunning visual effects and immersive storytelling that will push the boundaries of cinema once again. 2. Fantastic Beasts 4. The magical world continues in Fantastic Beasts 4, with more creatures, spells, and the ongoing conflict between Grindelwald and Dumbledore. As the story edges closer to its conclusion, fans are curious to see how this chapter fits into the wider Harry Potter universe. Why you should watch. If you're a fan of wizarding magic, this next installment promises excitement and wonder. 3. Spider-Man: Beyond the Spider-Verse. After the success of Across the Spider-Verse, Miles Morales is back for another multiverse adventure, with even more stunning animation and high-flying action. This film promises to build on the excitement of the previous installments. Why you should watch. The animation and heart in these films make them stand out from other superhero movies. 4. Dune: Part 3. Denis Villeneuve brings us back to the desert planet of Arrakis in Dune, Part 3. The epic saga continues with more political intrigue, action, and jaw-dropping visuals as we move closer to the climactic end of this grand sci-fi story. Why you should watch. If you love epic storytelling and complex sci-fi worlds, this is one of the top films to see. 5. Star Wars: A New Dawn. Star Wars returns with A New Dawn, introducing new characters and exploring uncharted parts of the galaxy. This film aims to open a fresh chapter in the beloved universe, while still offering a sense of nostalgia for longtime fans. Why you should watch. Fans of Star Wars won't want to miss this new adventure in a galaxy far, far away. 6. The Lion King: The Circle continues. The Pride Lands come back to life with The Lion King: The Circle continues. This new chapter is set to explore the next generation and promises beautiful visuals, along with the heartwarming themes of family and legacy that made the original a classic. Why you should watch. If you love the Lion King franchise, this new edition is bound to stir emotions and nostalgia. Conclusion. December 2024 is going to be an unforgettable month for cinema, with major blockbusters and beloved franchises making their return. There's something for every movie fan. Don't miss these incredible films.